Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. I'm Rao_KE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, kindly consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. And in this video today, I'm going to make corn cupcakes, not cornbread. So I'm going to make corn cupcakes. And for me to make my corn cupcakes, I've prepared some ingredients that I'm gonna use. I have some corn flour. It's actually prepared, especially made for making cornbread. And I also have milk. I'll use some milk, and I'll use some eggs, and I also need some butter. This is how I'm going to make my corn cupcakes. I'll bake them here, and I don't know whether the light is sufficient enough. So what I need to do is first to melt some butter that I'm gonna use for my corn preparation. I need a small saucepan. This is the smallest pan I have, so I'm gonna melt some butter. I'll make some butter here, just a little bit of butter because I don't need a lot. So I'll melt the butter that I'll use, the butter that I'm going to use. That's melted enough. So I'm just like about 2 spoons of butter. That's okay, that's melted enough. So what I need to do, I'm going to have my butter, milk, and eggs together. So I need an egg. Just an egg is okay. So I'm not making a lot, I'm only making 1 tray. 1 egg. So this is the egg. Then some milk, just a little bit. And I don't care to measure a lot because I know the measurement that I need for the ingredients I'm using. And then I need some melted butter. So I'll take 2 spoons of this melted butter. 2 spoons of the melted butter. That's 2 spoons already. Then I mix it together. Maybe this time I need to use this one. Mix it well. It's always advisable to put a little bit of milk first, because you might need milk as you go on, and then you might need to add. So this is the corn flour that I'm going to use for the corn muffins. Actually, I'm making corn muffins. So I just open the pack. You can see it's just corn flour. So I pour that inside here. It's kind of like 1 cup of corn flour. You can use ordinary corn flour. The yellow one will be preferable. Then mix it to a smooth paste. I can show you close up how it looks like. that's how it looks like. I'll continue mixing until it's very smooth in form of a batter. So this one I'm making for our evening snack, afternoon tea. I told you we always take 4 o'clock tea, and it's now 2 o'clock. So I just prepare this for, see, so it has to be smooth like that. Once it's a smooth paste, you see my milk was enough, my egg is okay, everything that I put here was just right amount. So at the same time I need to prepare the oven, so the oven should be on and start preheating the oven. This is my oven here. And I just need to preheat it a bit. I think I'll need this one here. I'll need this one here, so I don't need to remove it. Just preheat, put it at baking. It's not a cake, but it's almost like bread. So I'll put like 230, and I put 10 minutes preheating time. So the oven is preheating. That's the oven there. And back to my batter here. I keep mixing until it's a smooth batter. It's actually very smooth now. So this one is done. Need to put this one away. I'll need something like this, spatula. So this is enough for the cornbread that I'm making for afternoon tea, because I'm not making a lot. Just want to make a few. I think I need to take my trash out now. It's also too full, so I don't need that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to keep this one aside for now. I'm going to use the melted butter that was left here to brush into this tray. I almost call it a baking sheet. Into the baking tray. Use the melted batter that I melted to spread into the baking tray, just like that. Sometimes when I'm home, like on a day like today, I like making bread or baking or just doing some bit of cooking. I also like doing some trial and errors. Sometimes you just try to cook something to see what will come out of it. So this is what I'm cooking today. I'm making cornbread. I've made it before, but not in form of muffins or cupcakes, but I made it in form of a bread. It's made from the flour that we use for making ugali. So I just spread the oil well, not the oil but the butter. Spread butter in the tray. So I've already spread the butter in the tray. It's well spread now. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, put this one aside, maybe I'll use it for something else. Time to add my corn into the tray. Maybe I need to scoop. No, how? Okay, I'll just add because I know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually not measuring anything. I'm just putting them. I hope it will be enough for 6 muffins. 5 to 6, not bad. This for afternoon tea. think it's gonna make 5 muffins. The 6th one might be smaller, but it's okay. It's not for a show, it's just for us to eat. Okay, so everything is now on the tray here, but I want it to be to be aligned well so that they don't burn on the top or something like that. I don't want that. So let me clean the sides. I'll clean the sides so that it doesn't smell like it's burning yet it's not yet cooked. You have to do that to let air out, or so that there's no air spaces in between. So that's how my corn muffins are already aligned on the tray. This is the tray. These are the corn muffins on the tray. So it's now time to put it in the oven. It will cook for about 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll put it in the oven. Then I'll check it out after about, I told you it will heat for about 10 minutes. From I set it at 30, now it's here to, from here to here it will be ready. Okay, so that's my corn muffin in the oven. Let's give it time and see how it cooks. Okay, don't want to pile dirty things here. Do you see them? Okay guys, my corn muffins are ready, and now I'm gonna, oh, they're burning, oh my goodness. Oh, they even burned. That's my corn muffins. I'm gonna put them on a plate. They burned. Try this. Oh, they look good. They did not burn actually. That's how they should be. I'm dishing them out from the tray. I told you I was only making 6 muffins because this is what we need just for our afternoon tea. So I'll give them time to cool before we take them to the table. Maybe I can try to let me try one and see how it looks like. Just have a look at how spongy and soft it is. So that's how we make corn muffins. And thank you guys for watching. I'm Rao_KE. Kindly consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye.